few goodies for the NC700 showed up today, but this is the one I'm most excited about. This Atlas throttle lock. I've been looking at this for about 18 months and finally decided to drop the money and get it. It feels pretty heavy. Looks like you get a couple stickers and some mounting equipment. Instructions. And then here's what I've been waiting for. Looks really nice. Very excited to mount that. You can see how simple it is. It's a great idea. It feels really heavy duty. Really excited to use that. Be using it on a trip coming up in just a couple of days.